to the channel, guys. I'm gonna be going to my cousin's house. It's a nice day today. Finally, it's 67 degrees high. We're gonna be getting a car wash together. So if you guys don't remember from a previous video, he owns a 2015 BMW 435i X-Drive, and he's done some modifications since then. So we're gonna be showing you his car, and we're gonna be giving you a little walk around of his car as well. I haven't even gotten a car wash since I got this car, so this will be the first time washing it. So I'm not gonna give it a full detail just yet because, you know, it's still really cold out right now. When the weather gets a little bit warmer, I'm gonna do a full detail, a clay bar, a little bit of polishing, detail the interior. What's up, big boy? Hug.
How's Brembos?
Yeah.
Or just those are fake. Don't show people the fake covers.
Oh, these are the eBay covers, the Brembos. Yep. You're right. What you think? Your first impression?
Very nice. Very nice.
Got the JDM rear bumper.
That's not OEM.
Oh,
it is OEM.
It is OEM, but JDM, yeah. Because these bumpers are only from like Euros and Japanese. For the USDM, it's like, I don't know, it's like more bubbly shape, and doesn't have the rear diffuser. So this actually worth a lot more because people like this look a lot better. The vortex generator, yeah.
Yeah, that all the Civic people use.
Civic people use that?
Civics.
Oh man, what are you trying to say? Your car is filthy. These are the lights that you did, right? Ooh, looks good. How hard was it?
Very.
Can you turn it on? I want to see how it looks like. Oh, that's sweet. Hey, Bentley. Oh, you got more chickens.
No.
Got a welder. And
No,
this your
welds.
let's see your practice welds.
No.
Come on. Come on.
No,
Hey,
really
everybody
good.
got to start somewhere.
They're really good. They're really good. No, you just gotta take my word for it. They're
Okay.
really good.
So you're gonna try to help me weld something then.
I'll help you.
All right, let me show you what you're gonna be welding. So this vacuum cleaner right here, this metal piece right here, it's just like,
Is it aluminum or steel?
I don't have no idea. What do you think? I think it's steel.
Let's take it.
It's metal.
Yeah, of course it's metal. It's steel. I can do it.
Okay.
How much was this? Why are you trying to save it?
This Metro Vac and Blow, it's really good brand. I bought it like 14 years ago, $200 something.
Cool.
Yeah, look at that motor. Oh. Alright, so we got it all sanded. Oh shit. Nice.
So, I couldn't really do much. There's like two tiny little pinholes somewhere in here.
Yeah.
But I feel like if I try to fill it up, I'll just create a bigger hole.
It doesn't have to be like filled up or anything. I think that's good.
Yeah, this is just where I spot welded, and I couldn't get good contact, so I couldn't weld anything here.
Nice. So it's like really sturdy now. Nice. So if I step on it,
It's gonna bend before that weld breaks.
nice. Sweet. All right, let's see if it works. I don't feel anything. There's no air leaking. Gonna teach me how to weld.
So all you need to do.
Look at his.
This is my
practice
first day.
welds.
This is my first day, and this is my second day. The burns got smaller. This is thin, and I'm using a MIG flux core, so not really the best.
All right, I just wanted to try it out and see how it is. I never welded before. Get my helmet on.
So you can start it. You can start it with contact like this, and just pull the trigger. The trigger feeds the wire and makes it spark.
First time welding. Oh man, these are bad. That's so bad. What do you think?
Don't do it while the mask is off. That's what you did?
Yeah. Not bad for a first try then. All right, so this is gonna be the first wash since I got it back. As you can see, it's really filthy right now. So let's give this a good wash, good clean. I finished washing the car. Still not as clean as I hoped it to be, but gonna give it a full detail. And yours is looking mighty fresh too. While Kenneth is vacuuming his car, we're gonna end this video. Pretty hungry, so we're gonna go out to eat. And we'll see you guys next time.